Hi parents, I'd like to introduce you to IXL. IXL is a powerful tool that our school subscribes to because it allows students to practice in English or in math different skills that they are learning in class. And because it generates new questions, so it allows students to practice using a larger number of questions, and it gives immediate feedback as well. So I'd like to show you how you could utilize this at home, especially if you feel like the students need additional practice and you would like to assign some yourselves. Sometimes the teachers will be assigning it, but you can also assign this at home as well. There's nothing wrong with that. So all students have a username and password that they will use to log into this website. And once they do, then you could see here that they will automatically be given access to this page. So teachers can actually assign assignments based on what we are covering in class. And so we recommend that students complete this. Now, if students have completed a skill, maybe they did in class or they've already done it in their own time, then it will show under their completed list here. So even if a teacher has assigned it, then they will still have access to, you could still take a look at what they've covered, and there's a medal that shows that they have completed it. This one right here is an assignment that has been assigned but has not been completed yet. Now, another place to access is the recommendations tab. So students here will be able to work on activities based on the skill that the app recommends. So even if a teacher hasn't assigned something, it is okay for students to try the recommendations. And as you can see here, there's a few questions on, let's say, something like English, or there's math as well. So because we have access to both, your children will have access to both of these. Moving on, one more option that you could utilize is you could actually have, let's say, a tutor's working with the students, or you'd like the students to practice something more specifically. You can open that learning tab and head over to math or language arts, and you will see all the possible skills that they could access. If you would like to have your children try something a little bit more challenging or difficult, they can move up in grades, and you have access to more difficult content as well if you would like your children to try it. So all they have to do is click on it, and then they can work on the questions, and it will immediately give feedback. If you have any questions about how to utilize this, please do not hesitate to contact me. I will give you my information along with this link as well.